Hello students, we are going to draw male reproductive system. First of all, draw two arcs like this. As I'm not also expert, I'm just making it a rough view for you. After making two arcs, draw two lines parallel for the penis. Now giving some curl below, make a semicircle and touches it to the first arc. Now, as you know, the testes are oval in shape. Make an oval structure and do not join it completely, and takes the ray parallel as I am taking it, and please put a gap what I have done here, and take this as a urethra to the very down. Extra, just delete it. Now another parallel lines along with the vas difference what I already made. Now just taking care of the two gaps, I've just shown you the two gaps over here. Now take it to the down parallel with the urethra. Students, now we are going to make the foreskin of glans penis. See, do exactly what I am doing and you will have a structure of foreskin of glans penis. Now, after making glans penis foreskin, let us make ureter, which comes from the kidney. It's a tube. Let's take tube to the crossing the, and now we have to make the urinary bladder. As you know, the ureter goes into bladder. Make just a pouch like structure what I have made here. Okay, now just a small prostate gland I have made for you. Now this is seminal vesicle and it is another gland. Yes, like this. This is just introductory basic diagram of male reproductive system. Now I am drawing erectile muscle which helps in the erection of penis, which is an external genitalias, and I am just giving a hint pinch of the internal structure of testes. Now this is the short diagram. This is the another section of the video where I'm going to show you the various parts and their labelings. In this video we are just to learn the names of the various parts of male reproductive system. So let me write male reproductive system. In this diagram I have made prostate gland somewhat more in size because it was not visible in my previous diagram. See, number one is a muscular pouch known as scrotum, 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 and number two is itself testes, the primary sex organ of male. Number third is a sperm duct, we call it vas difference. Now the vas difference spelling is wrong here and you will correct it by looking into the book. This is the wrong spelling of vas difference. And the fourth one is seminal vesicle, which processes and prepares semen. Fifth one, you can see fifth one is a tube ureter which comes from kidney. Students, sixth one I have told you while making diagram, it's urinary bladder, which stores urine which comes from kidney. Seventh is a prostate gland which was by mistake made very small by me. Now it is clear to you all. It is prostate gland. It is a very important gland in male reproductive system which has various functions. Eighth is, you can see, eighth is a common duct, common for both urine and sperm. We call it urethra. The spelling of urethra is urethra. There will not e. While diagram writing the spelling, I just forgot that there will be no e. Okay, students. The ninth is the complete external genitalia, which is penis. You all are aware about this. Penis, penis. And see, marking number 10 are the muscles which helps in the erection of penis. We call them erectile muscle. Erectile muscles are full with blood capillaries and blood supplies. Erectile muscles. Now, after erectile muscles, there is a last part to describe. It's a foreskin of glans penis. Foreskin of glans penis. Students, this is a short way to explain the male reproductive system and a very easy way to make you learn the labeling of the diagram. You can consult the NCERT. You can go through more details, but this is just an basic and introductory video.